What is up, guys? Welcome to yet another DaVinci Resolve 16 video editing tutorial for beginners. In this video editing tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to upload your videos, images, and other B-rolls. Let's get started. Right, so I have opened my DaVinci Resolve 16. Now, this is the tool that I use to edit all my videos, and the tool that most YouTubers and even advanced or beginners use to edit their videos. Now, it is very simple. It might look complicated at first, but it's so simple. There's nothing much in and around DaVinci Resolve. Now, first things first, I want to make sure that you have all your things ready. Make sure you have your videos or your sound effects or any image that you want to use to do video editing about. Okay, so now it's very simple. Now forget everything else around this whole window here. Now I just want you to look down at where I have highlighted the lower bar there. Now in this lower bar we have some icons. Now these are the icons that's going to navigate to know to which point you want to edit your video from. Of course, the first things first is you want to upload your videos, your files, your sound effects, music, or anything else you're going to use inside DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so that one is going to be on the first button here called media. You see where it's called media there? Yeah, now you have all these other buttons that you're going to use as we go. All right, so the first things first, of course, you're going to come to media here, and then you're going to upload our video. So let's upload the video. Now there's several ways to upload a video on DaVinci Resolve. Now for me, I just come to my folder here, and then this is the video that I want to use to help you know how to edit your video. So I'm just going to take that video, and then I drag and drop it on my media file there. Now it's going to ask a question here if you want to change the frame, but I also don't change the frame. Just click OK, and just like that, you have your video media file here. Now you can upload even images here, sound effects, and any other thing you're going to use to edit your video. Now in this case, I'm just going to use my video here. There's nothing much I want to use. Okay, maybe I might add just one more video here, video playback, that I'm going to use right there for the sake of helping you understand how to edit in DaVinci Resolve. Let me just do that again. Okay, there we go. Thank you for watching that video, guys. If you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, including introduction, uploading videos, images, and other B-rolls, the edit section, adding another video, adding texts, adding images, dynamic zoom, how to render, then I have included links to these in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if there's anything you think I have left and you may want to know, kindly comment below and I'll surely make a video on that. Adios, amigos.